Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is how to divide a fraction. This is Teacher Marife Adonis. So we have rules in dividing fractions. We want to divide fraction, get the reciprocal of the divisor to multiply the dividend. It can be expressed as follows. We have A over B divided by C over D is equals A over B times D over C. That is equals to N, or A divided by B is equals to A times 1 over B. For example, 5 divided by 1/4. So we know that the denominator of a whole number is 1, no? So we can say 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1. So 20 over 1, or 20. Next, so we have 2/3 divided by 4. Okay. So 4 over 1, or no? And then 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Then get the DCF, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is equals to the answer. No? 12 divided by 2, is equals to 6. So we have a dividing complex fraction. Complex fractions have fractions in numerator or denominator, or in both numerator and denominator. Okay, let's take a look at some of the examples here. For example, we can say that A over B, no, then C over D. So if you have here a fraction in the numerator and also a fraction in denominator, no? And we can write that as like this, A over B, no? Get the reciprocal. Baliktarin natin to. That could be D over C. So A times D is AD over BC. Okay. So we can have an example. For example, okay, so we have 1/2 over 1/3. So we could say that 1/2 times, we can use x or the dot, 3 over 1. So always get the reciprocal of the second fraction. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Or write your answer in a mixed number. So 1 and 1/2. Okay? That is a complex. We can also divide, no? So we have dividing mixed numbers. Alright. So when you divide mixed numbers, you rename first the fractions to improper fractions, then proceed to the division of fraction. For example, 4 and 2, 7 by 3 and 1/3. So step 1, 4 over 7. So we need to transform into an um, improper fraction. So how we do that? 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30 over 7. And then times 3 is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. That's why 10 over 3. For step 2, get the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of 10 over 3 is 3 over 10. We can use cancellation method here. So we have 1. 30 divided by 10 is 3. That's why 3 times 3 is 9. 7 times 1 is 7. Then step 3, always simplify your answer. 7 over 9 could be 1 and 2, 7. So this is the simplify. So you always simplify your answer. Okay? So always simplify. Next. So we can have also, here we have another mixed number. So we have 5 and 1/3 divided by 6 and 2/3. Say we have, okay, so we change into improper. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1, 16 over 3. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2, 20. And then get the reciprocal. That's why we get here. So cancel natin yung 3. Ang natira ay 16 over 20. Or by getting the GCF, no, 16 over 20, the greatest common factor is 4 over 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the final answer is 4/5. Okay, so this is the simplified answer. All right, so let's find the quotient of the following. So for number 1, we have 7/9 divided by 2/3. So 7 over 9 times 3 over 2. Get the GCF of 9 and 3. So we have 1, 3. So 7 times 1 is 7 over 3 times 2, 6. Or the final answer is 1 and 1/6. Another, we have 16 over 4. Sorry, that is 6 over 14. So 6 over 14. Then get the reciprocal. That will become 7 over 3. So using cancellation method, so 14, the GCF of 14 and 7 is 7. So we have 1, 2. Of course, for 3 and 6 is 3. So we 1, 2. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. That is the final answer. Okay, next. For number 2, we get here 3 times 6 is equals to 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 over 3. And then the 4 over 1, of course, the denominator is 4 is 1. So times 1/4. Okay, so get the GCF using the cancellation method. So 1 and then 5. So 5 times 1 is equals to 5 over 3 times 1, 3, or 1 and 2/3. 1 and 2/3 is the final answer. Okay, so we will use the space here. So we have 9. So of course, that 9 over 1. Then let's do it directly. So divide first because we need to transform into an improper fraction. So we have 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1, 28 over 9. That will become 9 over 1 times 9 over 28. So if we're going to use cancellation here, so the GCF of 9 and 21 is 3. So we have 3 over 7, or 3 times 9 is 27 over 7. Now, 27 divided by 7, so we can use 4 and 1 7, because 4 times 7 is 28. Now we cannot use 28, so we can use only 27 divided by 7. We can use only 21. That is 3. So 21 over 27, or the lowest term is the GCF of 21 and 27. Of course, we have 3, no? So 3, so 3 over 3. 3 divided by 21 divided by 3 is 7. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So the final answer is 3 and 7, 9. Next, we have here, we need to convert into an improper fraction. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 2, divided by 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. Then get the reciprocal of the second fraction. Change into multiplications. We have 3 over 4. So we have 9 over 8, or 1 and 1/8. So remember, always express your answer into a simplified form. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3, 13. 13 over 5, divided by 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11 over 2. And then get the reciprocal of 13 over 5 times 2 over 11. So 13 times 2 is 26 over 55. So that's already the final answer, because 55 is not divisible by 26. So any question? Okay, so far. If you have questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Mega love shout out to all my teams, the Team Organic Barcadas, YTC International, Team Solid Family, and all my members, Lan Pamlumino and Miss Roy Channel from India, and of course, Wina Blog, and everyone out there, Chubby Peggy, everyone, thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.